Uh, so we'll be having a problem at home. One of our doors, the downstairs bathroom door, every time you close it, it gets stuck and it sounds like really bad. It looks like it doesn't want to go all the way in. You have to really push hard on it and you can still have that scratchy noise. And same thing when you try to open it. So I need to figure it out what the problem is. So the first thing, it will be turn the light on in the bathroom so I can see, once I'm looking at the frame of the door, I can actually see where is it that it's getting in the frame. So let's just try to do that right now. I'll start at the top of the door, which is more than likely where it's getting stuck. So you can see the light inside the bathroom, and we'll see once I close the door. There. This is as far as it goes before it starts getting stuck. So I need to see if I got light. And I do up to this point. There is no light shining through the door frame, which tells me that this corner right here is the one causing issues. Alright. So once the problem is identified, I need to figure out a way to fix it. So all this part right here is really soft and smooth. This part right here is kind of hard and rough, which is where the door is getting stuck. So the easy solution is just to sand this part, sand it down, and that will fix the problem. I'll show you how. To fix this issue, I'll use this sandpaper. I have two types right now that I could use. I have 80 grit, and I also have 60 grit sandpaper. So what's the difference? Well, 60 grit it's a lot more granular than 80 grit. 80 grit is still hard and it will sand really well, but it's not as rough as 60. So 80 grit should be enough, and you should fix that. These sheets of paper are really cheap. I cannot remember exactly how much I paid for them, but they're really not expensive, and for small projects like this, they're just the perfect tool. Okay, so I have the piece of sandpaper I'll use. As you can see, it's really not that much what I need to get this job done, and you can cut the sandpaper like paper with a pair of scissors. So I'm going to show you how to sand this door and the final product. So the sanding process is very straightforward. Just put it up against the wood and sand. You have to do more than that, but to use the basic concept. And once this is sand down and smooth, you can go ahead and try to close the door, and it should be fixed. I'll show you the final result here in a few minutes. Okay, now that it's been sanded, the final result. See? No stucking, no scraping, no nothing. And that's it. That's how you fix a door.